We're in Dixboro, Michigan, and we have an opportunity to drive the new Sonata 2020 Limited. So let's go take a drive.
Well, today we're driving Hyundai's 2020 Sonata Limited, and it's a complete redesign. It has better fuel efficiency, some new technological features, and advanced standard safety features. And the starting price for the Sonata is $23,400. But the one we're driving today, the limited edition, is a little bit more. It's $33,300. But boy, does it have a lot of great features, because it not only has some of the amazing standard features that come on the Sonata, it also has a digital key. And this is an amazing thing that allows you to use your phone to open and start the car. It has a color head-up display. It has blind spot view monitor with blind spot collision warning and remote smart parking assist. Now that's an amazing thing that actually allows you to pull the car out between two other cars if they're kind of a tight fit there, and so you can open the doors and get in a little bit easier. That's an amazing feature. But some of the standard features, you've got a 2.5 liter engine, 8-speed automatic, combined miles per gallon of 32, which is not bad. An 8-inch LCD monitor, electronic parking brake, forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, lane follow assist, driver attention warning, automatic high beam assist, and smart cruise control, stop and go. In all, the drive that I took today was just an amazing experience. It's a lot in a beautiful designed car for a pretty good value.
Fantastic.